Welcome back to another video. Today we have the YESPER portable power station. This is the 240 watt camping battery power station. Big shout out to YESPER for sending us this tool to test out this power station to test. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make more to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, my subscribers and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. So we got the power station here. This is power station model number 120 watt max power supply. Pretty much any device. You got a 3C digital products charge, SOS strobe lights, lightning, jump start capable option. On the back here we have portable power station, 240 watts. Technical specifications, we got model number Armor Pro 2, size 238 to 133 98 millimeter, battery capacity at 240 watt hours, Armor Pro, or 299 Armor Pro 2. You got output USB Type C, PD 100 watt max, 5 volts 3 amps, 9 volts 3 amps, 12 volts 3 amps, 15 volts 3 amps, 20 volt 5 amps. Output USB QC 3.0, 18 watt max, 5 volts 3 amps, 9 volts 2 amps, 12 volts 1.5 amps. Output DC 15 volts 10 amp. Output AC 120 watt max. Input PD 100 watt max. Full charging time 3 hours. Starting current 500 amps Armor Pro, or 600 amps Armor Pro 2. Got the peak current 2500 amps Armor Pro, 3000. It says warning, do not jumpstart the vehicle if device is less than 20% power capacity. Make sure red clamp is connects on the positive terminal and black clamp connects to the negative terminal. Otherwise, it may lead to a hazard. Alright, so this is what it looks like when you receive it. First thing that we have some instructions. AC outlet, output 120 watts, 5 volts, 9 amps, 12 volts out. This is USB Type A. You got USB Type C, PD 30 watt hours or watts. This does connect to the power station here. And then you got a 12 volt cigarette lighter, modified sine wave inverter. It does have a lot of ventilation here on the sides. Ventilation there. You got some nice clamps. USB Type C, like if you want to charge this with the battery, with the cigarette lighter, you can charge this device. Organizer there for the cords. And then you got, this is a USB to USB Type C. Alright, so this is it right here. You got YESPER. We got, right off the bat, we do have some rubber. All corners are protected with rubber, including the sides here are protected with rubber. We got a nice screen here. You got Armor Pro, designed by YESPER, PD 100 watts. Quick charge. You got on and off. Let's press this. 75% right off the bat. You got boost. Yeah, we're ready. So my guess, this is probably to jumpstart the vehicle with the boost. We'll go ahead and, if you leave it on, I guess the light turns on. Really bright LED. Yeah, this is a really bright LED. You got a flashing LED. You got a strobe. And then off. Alright, so and you do hear it when it goes off. On the back, nothing. Got some specifications here on the back. It says 1 connect vehicle battery. That's just to jumpstart the vehicle. You connect the device, obviously, and then the second one you do press this button here, the boost, until it says ready. Once it says ready, then you can start the vehicle. Connect the red with the positive, the negative, the black with the black. That's very important because you will fry your car or you will fry your battery. You got a DC out, 12 volt outlet. Obviously you can connect that there. And then you got the connectors here for the engine start. You got DC out. And then you have USB out. You got USB out. And then you got in and out USB Type C. Alright, so we got a battery. This is a power tool battery and a charger. We're going to go ahead and plug this in. We're going to go ahead and turn it on. 75%. Alright, so you guys do see the light turned on. So you are able to plug your device in. And it is charging. We're going to go ahead and connect it with the USB Type-C. Super fast charging, 85%. So obviously this is a super fast charger with the USB Type-C to USB Type-C. Works. It works really well. The watts that's actually pulling out of the device, we're down to 74%. Because I do have a massage chair. Let's plug it in, see what it says. Now it's not pulling anything. Alright, so I got it on. I don't know if you guys could hear that, but I got the massage. I'm going to turn on the heater. The heater and the massage chair. It's only pulling 22. This is it right here, by the way. It's a massage chair. Alright, so we're at 72%. It's drawing 4 watts even with this off. So let's take this off. It's drawing 4 watts just to keep this on. Just keep that in mind. Obviously, that's why they put a disconnect on it, so it won't drain any of the battery. Alright, let's take this off. Obviously, there's no current being charged or taken out. Alright, let's take this outside and try to jump start a vehicle. 72%. Then we're going to take our clamps and put them in the corresponding, and this one's going to the negative cable. And then this we have to plug it in here. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and turn it on, and we're going to hit boost. Alright, so it's ready. I do have to say this product worked flawlessly. Definitely recommend it. You guys did see the other function. It did work. It did turn on this vehicle. We're going to check the 71%. Definitely check it out. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.